I am the XB-70 Valkyrie, the most arrogant supersonic bomber in the history of the U.S. Air Force, that's right. The triple factor that made the Soviet Union spend billions of rubles to upgrade its air defense system and make the wallets of the gentlemen of the U.S. Congress cry. Let me tell you about my legendary life in person today. I am 30 meters tall, equivalent to 113 tons naked in a 10-story building, and 250 tons after eating and drinking, making me the heaviest girl of that era. 6 YJ-93 engines, each with 14 tons of thrust. Fuel consumption at full throttle is comparable to that of a gas station blasting site. So I have a range of only 6,900 kilometers, and I have to go out with an aerial refueling buoy. But my maximum flight speed is 3.1 Mach, which is about 3,300 kilometers per hour. New York to London is only 3 hours. I can fold my wings down 65 degrees at high speed, like an origami airplane generating extra winds with wave boost. Time-consuming in 1964, I was faster than all active hijackers, including MiG-21 and Soviet SAM-2 missiles chasing me like a panting dachshund. The key was not enough to reach me, because my maximum voice line was 21,000 meters, a full 3 kilometers higher than the maximum height of the SAM. At this altitude, at this speed, I drop nuclear bombs in enemy airspace like a joke. I am a flying intercontinental missile, but I can fly back on my own. Are you angry? But my mobility is about the same as that of a freight train, with a turning radius of 160 kilometers at Mach 3. If you want to turn around, it is recommended to apply for a license in the airspace of a neighboring country first.